In this video, we learn about the topic named as types of recording. There are many types of recording in HP UFT. There are basically 4 types. The very first type of recording is known as default recording, or also called as normal recording or context sensitive recording. Based on the version which you are using, if you are using HP UFT, the name would be default recording. If you are using HP QTP, the previous version of UFT, it will call it as normal recording. So the very first time if you record any application, it will be as in the default recording mode. Okay. So what this default recording mode does is, it will try to take the full advantage of HP UFT model. Okay. It will try to recognize all the objects with help of its properties and its values, irrespective of the position on the screen. So that is the best one which you can use. Sometimes default recording will not work. Suppose if you want to capture the screenshot, let's say if you want to capture this signature or the drawing with the help of this default recording, it will not work. So that time you have to use this analog recording. Analog recording will capture the cursor movements or the mouse movements of the cursor itself. So if you want to draw some signature or some sketch itself, so that time you have to go for this analog recording. So it will be, the file size of this analog recording will be heavy as compared to this default recording. So it is recommended only use this type of recording when default recording doesn't work, right? The next type of recording is known as low level recording. Why low level recording is used is because in sometimes if you want to capture the coordinates of the object, okay, so that time you can go for this low level recording. This will capture the object properties and values. This will capture the coordinates of the object in the application, right? So that time you can go for this low level recording. Definitely this will also have the size of this file will be heavier as compared to this default recording, right? So these are 3 types of recording. The fourth and the last type of recording is known as insight recording. This recording is only applicable, available in the newer version of HP UFT. So what does insight recording does is, when this default recording fails, when this low level recording fails and analog fails to recognize an object with the help of its coordinates or with the help of its object properties and values, that time insight recording comes in picture. What does insight recording does is, it will capture the snapshot of the object in the application. Okay, that snapshot, it will create a script into your UFT. So that time you can use this insight recording. Obviously, which is more recommended, which type of recording you should use it. You should always use this default recording, the very first type of recording. Sometimes if default recording doesn't work, you can utilize the other types of recording. The best one which you use is default because it takes less size, okay, as compared to the other types of recording. So in the coming videos, we'll see in detail each type of recording and what is the difference between them. So right now, that's all for this video.